What's up, Anya Army? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about this blonde synthetica. She's so cute. I'm going to be going over how I install it and how I overall felt about it. So make sure you keep watching. But before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and meet me in the comments so we can discuss. So this wig is by HD Lace in the style Amelia in the color T8/blonde. I picked this up from my local beauty supply store. I believe it was $55. Yeah, $55. I also picked up this tinted lace spray from Eben, New York. This is my first time trying this, and spoiler alert, I loved it. This is the wig straight out the pack. It is gorgeous. I love this curl pattern, and I love the ash tone to the blonde. Perfect for my brown skin baddies. It doesn't look too yellow or too white. It is the perfect shade in my opinion. And here I'm just showing you guys cap construction. It's the classic net cap with the 3 hair combs to secure the wig, and it does have the elastic band in the back so you can hook and make it even tighter or looser depending on how you want it. There is not a lot of lace space. It's the T lace parting zone, but you know what, that's fine. It's a synthetic wig. I wasn't expecting too much. This is just fine. I can work with this. Now to get into the installation, we're going to start off with tinting the lace. I just put the bag that the hair came in inside so that the spray wouldn't get all over the hair. It is blonde after all. I shook it up a bit and then, sorry, it's hard to record and spray at the same time, but I just stood about 6 inches away from it and sprayed in short, quick bursts. Trying to do very light layers and then kind of build on top of what I already had, periodically checking the back of the wig to make sure that it wasn't transferring through onto the other side. This is how the parting looks now up against my skin. This is with no extra manipulation, no plucking, no concealer. It is so good. I am obsessed with this tint spray. Holy grail. Look at that. Just melted. Alright, now this is how it's looking so far. I just plopped it straight onto my head just to get a kind of feel before I actually glued it down. Those marks on the side of my hair are baby powder. Don't worry, I definitely blended that out and brushed it out. I didn't notice it until after this video, which I'm so glad that I took because, honey, that looks crazy. But isn't the color so perfect for my skin tone? The curls are gorgeous. I could not wait to fully install this. We're about to get into it. Alright, so this is the final look. Everything is glued down. I put in some soft baby hairs and a nice little sideburn there. Gorgeous. And I did fix up the hairline because it was very straight across. I gave it a few more waves with the scissors just to kind of make it a little more realistic. But this is the final look. I love this wig so much. It lasted me about 2 weeks before she got a little, for things went a little left. But I loved it. I got so many compliments on it. The curls are gorgeous. I was able to manipulate the part really well to help it look as natural as possible. The baby hairs were cute. Overall, 10 out of 10. I loved this unit. I will definitely be repurchasing her. Don't forget to meet me in the comments to let me know if you would try it or trash it. See y'all next time. Thanks for watching.